Det här kommer gå åt skogen.
While getting help across a small water crossing, this rider watches on as another rider picks the more creative route.
Ты думаешь, просто так стоим?
Stuck behind another rider kicking up debris, this biker gets pelted hard. A painful reminder to leave space sometimes, or you may risk wearing half the trail on your visor.
Ale było blisko!
Hitting a set of whoops, this rider gets thrown off balance fast. A perfect example of how quickly things can flip when momentum takes over. Trying to pop over a small ditch, this rider doesn't give it quite enough power, and finds out immediately why commitment matters. Out filming for content, this rider gets exactly the kind of clip he was hoping for.
Yes! Yes! Another Instagram fail!
The same elbow.
That's why I keep putting you in front of me.
On a steep, rocky climb, this rider hits the limits fast, and mountain trails don't forgive mistakes.
Bollocks. No, bro. There it is. Yeah! Oh! Bro!
Trying to get a shot of his buddy hitting a jump, this rider doesn't quite get the takeoff he was hoping for.
Bro!
Luckily for him though, the landing seems soft. Racing around the track, this rider hits a jump just a touch offline. But what do you think? Was his line the problem, or was that second jump just built wrong? Flying through a course, this rider makes a huge pass, only to completely forget that there's an upcoming turn. He's about to blow straight past it, and the consequences from it come fast. Exploring new terrain, these riders roll over a blind hill, and immediately find out why that's not always a great idea.
Охуеть!
Trying to reach the finish line, this rider stares down what looks like a mud river. Even with other bikes already stuck in the mess, he still powers through and gives it everything he's got.
Nie giriş ketem. Orlik pakaperu.
Trying to climb a brutal mountainside, this rider pushes both his bike and himself to the limit. The real question becomes, what gives out first? The machine or the man?
Puddles are deep as fuck, huh?
Out with his girlfriend, they come across a massive puddle blocking their trail. After making the decision, he decides to go first, and immediately realizes this might turn into a rescue mission instead of a fun ride. Cruising through forest trails, this rider rounds a corner and gets clipped by a fallen tree with a branch jutting into the path. A reminder to always scan ahead, but sometimes bad timing wins.
I think so.
Off-roading through the desert, this group watches as a buddy's ATV erupts into flames. Everyone rushes to help try and put it out, but somehow nobody has a fire extinguisher. A reminder that the desert demands respect.